Hello y'all, I'm back from a really long break and today I will teach you how to do the Twixtor effect on CapCut and VSCO. So we all know that VSCO isn't a free app and you gotta pay, but there's a free version of VSCO and I'm going to link that in the description box down below. So before we start our video, please follow me on my social media accounts. I have TikTok and Instagram. Please follow me there. And I have Twitter as well, but I don't use it. But maybe in the future I'll use it. So here's my Twitter account if you want to follow me. But if you don't want to follow me, then it's totally fine. Okay, anyways, let's get into the video. First, you have to prepare all of your clips, and for this video I'm going to use Chloe Bourgeois from Miraculous Ladybug. Then you go to format and click into any ratio you want. So I've learned that you have to adjust the ratio first before doing the Twixtor, because the quality will somehow go bad if you zoom it in later after you do the Twixtor. So you zoom it in to every clip. Okay, so now you have to click on one of the clips, then go to normal and change the speed to 5.0x and apply this to all of the clips. Okay, so now you have to do your lighting. So this is my lighting. And this is how it should look like. It's gonna be really fast. Then you export in 60 FPS and you just wait. Okay, so now open your VSCO app, then click the plus and look for the video that you just made. You import it, click the check, and then when you click the video, click that thingy, the graph line thingy with the circle, and go to tools, and then you move the circle to the very end. So it has to be in the smooth area, because if it isn't in the smooth, it's gonna be like really choppy like this. So for it to be a Twixtor, it's gotta be smooth. Then you click the next on the upper right and click save. So rendering might take some time, and this is just sped up, so yeah.
Result.
That's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.